you can see how engaged the kids are. And if anything, I don't see the kids being affected in their receiving the quality of education at all, as opposed to if they were good to go to school. Each concept, they put in a lot of colors. The class itself is so colorful. There's so much of color in the backdrop. There's so much of colors with the props, art, fitness, dances, games, and there's a lot academically also. They cover a lot of portion, and without the kids feeling the pressure of it and enjoying it, if anything else. So I have to appreciate the teachers' effort. Since we parents can see how much goes into it, we can see it on a daily basis. I have newfound respect for the teachers, and I couldn't ask for a better education system. They even cover all of the festivals. We were initially thinking, the kids might miss all the festivals or the special events, but the teachers, they curate an entire event for every color day, for every festival. The teachers stage a show. They involve the children. They have the children take part in these competitions. They send their own personalized videos from home, and every other parent gets to see every other child's performance. Even the kids get to see it. So Teddy Buddies really does take the utmost effort to show as much as they can and give the real-time experience of having gone to school. So thank you, Teddy Buddies. Thank you for everything.
Actually, our relationship with Teddy Buddies started around 8 years back when our elder daughter Snigdha Swaminath joined there for a summer camp. Actually, she later on did their LKG and UKG there, and it was with a heavy heart that we spoke on her graduation day, because Teddy Buddies didn't have higher classes. We hope they had, because that was the satisfaction that we got from Teddy Buddies. Because all her emotional, co-curricular and curricular growth which has happened now, as she is in 7th standard now, is because of Teddy Buddies, we know. So we believe in the foundation that's offered by Teddy Buddies, and that is the reason why after 8 years we again came back to Teddy Buddies. And our son Dhyan is studying there from last year when he joined there as a toddler. So Teddy Buddies, they continue keeping their qualities, their responsibilities, and last but not to mention, the bunch of super energetic teachers, aunties, and our dear Dolly ma'am and Josa, who continue maintaining their standards and quality. Thank you so much, and wish you all a very happy and wonderful Teachers' Day.
During this pandemic situation, as a parent, we were concerned about our child education. Teddy Buddies team has done a fantastic job as far as the overall development of the child is concerned. They have a unique way of engaging child in the form of art, craft, painting sessions along with academics. They have put in a lot of effort to deliver the same classroom experience online. I would like to thank each and everyone in Teddy Buddies for their hard work, and I would like to wish them a very best in their future endeavors.
Ritika has been studying with Teddy Buddies for the past 2 years. She started as a toddler and now she is in preschool. And her base facilitator is Akhila Miss, and we are extremely very happy with the way she has been molded by studying in Teddy Buddies. A very all the best to the team of Teddy Buddies.
The school where my granddaughter is studying is excellent. That is clear from her face. When I speak to her about the school, I very often notice a sort of happiness on her face. She speaks high of her teachers, her classmates, her school, and everybody there. And I very often hear her speaking a little bit of English, and that also a noteworthy point. And I do feel now that the school where she is studying is really a good one. And I wish the school, the management, and the non-teaching staff or teachers, everybody of that great school, which is called Teddy Buddies School, all success.
Annu, we are 100% satisfied with the service that Teddy Buddies is giving. I think the passion and the dedication of the teachers, especially Dolly Miss and all the teachers, that makes the Teddy Buddies unique. Fun-filled activities, they have all this day celebration. So, like every month, I will be waiting for that sheet diary. The activities like each month and as a parent, I am very excited to follow that all things. Because Corona came in, I was really tense. Which classes started, and really I was tense. But even though they managed, the Teddy Buddies team managed very well. They are providing all these activities, all these kind of things, which make the student to sit in front of the laptop. They're playing videos, craft activities, and all those, making him sit there actually. All the teachers and Dolly Miss, thanks a lot for taking care of our children like your own children. And a happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers and Dolly Miss.
It says that a teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. We all have teachers who have influenced us and who will be remembered for our lifetime. At Teddy Buddies, I found many teachers, everybody in fact, who are very talented and very passionate. And I'm really happy that my daughter Saya is being trained by them at this age, which is going to set up a foundation for a brighter future of her. I wish all the teachers around the globe and at Teddy Buddies a very happy
We owe a big thanks to Teddy Buddies team for his overall development. They have put in a lot of effort to bring the talents in him and the activities that they conduct, the Zumba, yoga class, then cookery show, puppet show. So all those activities actually channelize their energy into very creative and productive things. So thanks once again to Teddy Buddies team.
Yeah, and special mention to all the teachers for putting in such a commendable effort in arranging the online classes. You guys are doing a marvelous job out there. A happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Dear teachers, you are history makers, changing the future generation. We love and appreciate you. All the best. Happy Teachers' Day.